Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can sell artwork on your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, you can sell artwork in a couple of different ways. You can set up either a digital product, a physical product, or even some merch, and I'll be explaining how you can do that right now. Firstly, you're going to go into products and services, click on products, and then click on add a product. Here you can select whether you want it to be physical, for example, if it's art on a canvas or anything else. You can select that and create, well, a physical product. You can add a download if you want to sell digital art, which you can easily set up, or you can select custom merch, integrate with, I'm not sure if it's Printify or what it is. Let me just check really quickly. It's actually Printful. Yeah, my mistake. You can add products through Printful if you're selling merch or something else. But if I go into add product and, for example, set up a physical product, here you can add a product name, for example, picture 1. You can add a description, you don't need to. You can add the image of your artwork. If you're selling artwork, this is pretty much mandatory. Then for the inventory, you can set up the price. I'll set it to 14 Norwegian crowns. You can set stock. I'll make it not unlimited. I'll make sure I'm selling, for example, 1 if I only have 1 copy of that picture. You can modify the SKU if you want. It doesn't really matter. And here you can set up fulfillment profiles if it's in-person, local pickup, or ground shipping. You can add categories, tags, just to make your product sell more. You can use any selling tools, edit the SEO, and customize the checkout. But once you've customized everything, go here under save, click on publish, and then that is where your product will be. And now people will buy our product from our site. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.